When I start creating a multicam sequence, the first thing I do is I right click and I go to new item and I do a new sequence right there and I choose the settings I want and I'll click OK. Then I'll go to where I have all my footage, click this bin icon and I'll make a folder called interview and I'll bring in all my footage related to that interview. I have multiple cameras and audio files, so I'm just going to drag and drop inside there. Once I got everything I need inside that folder, select all of it, right click and create multicam. I do audio track channel 1 right here. I do this as automatic. I leave that at 0. I leave this selected. I leave the sequence settings onto camera 1 and I leave this as automatic and I use the clip names here. I say OK. You'll see that all my clips got moved into this bin called process clips. They're all still there. I now have this thing right here and I will drag and drop it onto the timeline. I'm going to keep my existing settings so things are exactly how I want them. If I need to adjust things, I can click on this, right click, open in timeline, and I can see how it's planned this out. I'm going to bring this down to be track number 1. And I'm going to bring all these to be on the same track. And let's say for whatever reason, one of my cameras didn't get brought in. I could always come into here and line these up manually, selecting everything, right? And then going to synchronize with the audio. Over here now I'm showing this video, but if I switch to push number 2 on my keyboard, I switch to the other camera. I can also just play back and click between these. If you don't see the multi-camera view over here, you can click on the plus icon, click this multi-camera view. You can drag and drop it onto your little toolbar here, say OK. And what's crazy is you can begin the playback and then you can switch between these live as it's playing back. Just push 1 or 2 to switch cameras. And then when you stop the video, you'll see that these actually have cuts.